Is this how I used to start my intro? I'm pretty sure it's not, but let's see if I still got it. What is going on, guys? Hope you guys are having an amazingly awesome day, night, and a morning so far. And welcome back to my YouTube channel after how many years? Maybe 3 years or 4, 3, 2, one of those three. Anyways, it's been such a long time. It's been such a long time. If you guys haven't noticed me yet, I've been extinct from social media for like about 2 years or 3. I was non-existent on Facebook, non-existent on Twitter. I was on Instagram mainly, but nobody really messed with Instagram back then until Instagram got bigger and bigger and bigger. Currently at the moment, I actually went through some medical health stuff, and I actually got a heart surgery. I had 2 clogged arteries. One was 100%, and the other one was about 96% clogged. So, yeah, it's pretty bad. Not even clogged, pretty much blocked, man. It was pretty bad. So, I'm still actually, healing over here from all the bullshit. But at the end of the day, it was my fault. I didn't take care of myself. But I am here, and I miss making content, but not the content that I used to make back in the day. Right now, the goal is to make this YouTube channel tips and tricks, which is for shorts, and for long form content is going to be a bedtime story series. So, but this will take permission and long time for me to even know if I got the permission or not. And if I didn't, well, that sucks, because that was really the goal for the YouTube channel. Other than that, I am lost at what I even wanted to do with this YouTube channel. I'm not into gaming anymore. I play here and there, but not to the point of like I'm gonna record something and post it on YouTube and kill all that time I killed back then for me not to explode. I mean, I knew I was entertaining, but to others, I guess I wasn't. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. I enjoyed the time that I actually did with a lot of the people that I knew, which were big teams, big leads, all this stuff from back then. Again, everybody that I actually knew back then were amazing people, and I will never forget them. But this, again, is a whole new routine that I got going on, and I want to stick with it. Hopefully I get the permissions for me to read this book. Once I do get the permission to read the book, then I will be testing out so many things on what to do for that video. I got ideas, and I hope they come to true. If not, it is what it is. I guess I failed everybody. But no, my mission is to not fail. My mission is to succeed for this book stuff, and I will keep on trying as much as I can just to get it right for that first video. And again, if I do get accepted, I will send them the footage first, see if they like it. If they do like it, awesome. I will be posting it on my YouTube channel and see where it goes. I mean, obviously I haven't posted in so long, so the views are probably non-existent unless that company helps me out and pushes the video if they enjoy the footage or anything like that much. But anyways, that's where I've been, man. I've been a dad, taking care of my oldest daughter. We recently just had a baby, a miracle baby, because we were not supposed to have any more babies, but hey, miracle baby, it is what it is. I'm actually enjoying every single bit of it, and yeah, man, just out here living life. Just healing up as much as I can. But anyone that is watching this video, if you did make it to the ending, comment OME, OldManEffect, for long term, but OME. I do appreciate it, just to make sure that you guys actually made it this far and that you guys are supporting, though, the entire footage. So, again, you guys are freaking dope, dude. Hope you guys are having an amazing day, night, and a morning so far. I'm out. Peace.